Master the art of conditional acceptance in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting video where we delve deeper into the nuances of the English language. Today, we're going to focus on the world of conditional acceptance, specifically the usage of the phrase, on the condition that. This is an essential phrase to know, especially when you want to accept a request but you need certain conditions to be met first. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we start using the phrase, we must first understand what it means. On the condition that is a phrase we use when we agree to something, but only if a certain condition is met. The structure is fairly straightforward. You mention your acceptance, followed by the phrase, on the condition that, and then state the condition. For instance, you might say, I'll lend you my car, on the condition that you fill up the gas tank before you return it. Here, you've accepted to lend your car, but only if the condition of filling up the gas tank is met. Let's look at a few more examples to illustrate how this phrase can be used in real-life conversations. 1. I'll help you with your homework, on the condition that you've tried to do it yourself first. 2. You can stay up late tonight, on the condition that you promise to wake up early tomorrow. 3. We can go to the amusement park, on the condition that we finish our chores first. As you can see, this phrase is incredibly useful for setting parameters around your agreement to a request. Now it's time for some practice. We'll provide some situations, and your task is to come up with a sentence using, on the condition that. 1. Your friend wants to borrow your favorite book. 2. Your child asks for extra screen time. 3. Your colleague offers to switch shifts with you. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use, on the condition that, in your conversations, the more natural it will feel. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. We hope this video has helped you understand the usage of, on the condition that, in the English language. It's a valuable phrase to know, especially when you want to accept a request with some conditions. Practice using it, and soon it will be a natural part of your English vocabulary. As always, happy learning, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.